The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have some videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these videos are somewhat water related. You know what I mean? Yeah. Somehow you're going to see water in these videos. Alright? I'm bringing these videos to you so that you can have a look at them, tell me what you think, to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, you see me? And also because these videos are being talked about on social media, you see me? Alright, so I'm going to start off with one of these videos right about now. The first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a fishing vessel that hit a reef and sunk somewhere within the Bahamas waters, you see me? Now, according to some information that I got about the video or the incident, it is said that this had happened close to a place that is known as Moore's Island. You see me? Now, I hope I get the pronunciation right, but just in case if I don't get the pronunciation right, I'm going to spell it, right? So that's Moores Island. You see me? Alright, now I don't have any information as to when the incident had happened, but however the video is out on social media, I'm going to present it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, alright? Present the video to you first, and then I'll give you some more information about the incident also, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
This is my captain, yeah? This is my real captain. Boy, it's sad to know. She sing channel. See all them boat? They get barely get all them people off. Sad, it's sad. Sad. There's hammer coming there. It's dead rock right there. All them little dingy. See, people still on the boat. People still on the boat trying to get the stuff off. See, there she walking. They try to pull into the shallow water. Sink.
Viewers and subscribers, according to some information that I got about the incident, it is said that no one had been injured, and it is said that there's no reports of any fatality. You see me I say? So it is said that no one had died, alright? It is said that persons went to assist persons on the fishing vessel, and it is said that those persons had been brought to land and that they are okay and so on. That's the information that I got, alright? And of course, when I said that persons helped persons who were on the vessel that sunk, I meant that persons traveled on boats and went to assist or help those persons on the vessel that was sinking at the time, is what I'm saying to you. Alright, so with that now I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, you see? Now, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are out on social media, and these pieces of videos shows what happened when a big pipeline burst at a place that is known as Arthur Wint Drive, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to some information that I got about these pieces of videos, it is said that this had happened on the 12th of October 2020. You see me? And it is said that this had happened close to the Bustamante Hospital for Children. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think, alright? But before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, sweet lad.
Watch it.
Watch it.
That a come up, you know?
They need them to come sit and rise the assault.
That a lift, you know?
Watch it to blood clot. Why not different route to that?
Bombo!
Fuck are you? Fucking fool.
Jesus Christ!
Tell you myself before the next one. Watch the blood clot.
Jesus!
Video, this is what's happening on what's this name, school hospital, Bustamante Hospital Road. So if anybody got Auto-Wind Drive, anybody going this direction, no bother come this side.
Right now one car the over it and it leak way. This is the heavy water we see as spurt down from the main. So you can show the rest of them this video here because this is too much. I mean, they're right up at children here, so you know, so when this lock off, up so now have no water for a while.
Now viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information if any repairs had been done or had started on the pipe that burst and so on. No, I do not have any information about that. But however, you can check the comment section of this video just in case if there's any updates, and you know, I'll leave a comment in the comment section of this video to let you know what's going on, just in case. Alright? Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video that I'm going to present to you, according to what had been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows a crocodile that had been spotted close to the shores of a place that is known as Bull Bay, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, I don't have much information about this crocodile spotted at Bull Bay shores or so on, you know what I mean, or at Bull Bay, you see me? Because on social media, some persons just say that crocodile had been seen at Bull Bay, or crocodile had been seen at the water, you know, or at the sea close to Bull Bay, you know, different explanation. But however, you know, by presenting this video to you, maybe get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and I do not have any information as to when this had happened. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, they must say man killing too, you don't see me with stone now.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you. Alright, you want to contact Dancehall, read the description down below the video and choose an option. And yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, so stay safe and walk good, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.